department?
I was wondering how much it would cost to get a new cabin air filter installed.
So you're looking at $79.95.
$79.95? All right. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. Bye-bye.
WHCTV viewers, you are in for a treat. Today I'm going to show you how to save $70 on a simple repair. And you can take your $70 and go buy yourself a nice steak dinner or a lifetime supply of cabin air filters. Let's get right into it. Stick around. Today's example is going to be a 2013 Honda Accord Coupe, but this applies for any Honda. So your cabin air filter is going to be on your passenger side. You will need a couple tools to get this job done. Your first tool is going to be your left hand, and your second tool is going to be your right hand. So as long as you have two hands, you should be able to complete this job. Step number one is inside here. There's going to be a lever for the soft close feature. You're going to disconnect that and push it out of the way. To remove this glove box, all you have to do is push in on both sides of the glove box, and the glove box will fall down and rest like so. Behind this cover is going to be your cabin air filter. Press both tabs inward and this cover will pop out. And here is the cabin air filter. If you don't change your cabin air filter, that is what you're breathing in. So here we have our new filter. Air flows through your heating or AC system from top to bottom. So you're going to follow the flow direction. You're going to insert this filter in just like so, and then replace the cap. And it's just going to clip into place. Reassemble everything, put this little arm on until it clicks in, just like that, and your glove box acts as normal and you're breathing in fresh air. Hey, thanks again guys for watching the video. If you're like me, you like saving money and you like having fun doing it, maybe you should stop over by the Fixer Flipper YouTube channel and I could teach you a few tricks. And more importantly, don't forget to subscribe to the WHC TV YouTube channel. And with that being said, I'll see you around. Have a good one.